Play. What is guy is doing? Okay, he will just get disappeared from there. That. Play. Okay, what's that? That's a cutter. I will not recommend under 15 years of age. You can take help from your parents. They're just cutting the sneakers. Why you want to ruin the sneakers, man? Okay, washing it up. Adding colors. Okay, adding some designs to it. One water splash and your work is just gone. If you're using permanent markers, that's okay. But if you're using watercolors, you are just ruined. Okay, what's the final result? I'm curious to know. It looks cool. Oh, it looks like he's just connecting those parts. Nice. Play. Will you what? Okay, ring. Of course, marry me. Okay, that's great. It looks like a story, flip book. Okay, finally. Will you? Okay, miss. Okay, you can make different type of flip books with it if you want to convey your messages. Comment down if you will just give to your. Okay, you know that. Miss. Play. Posting memes in real world. Okay, who's that? Will Smith. Okay, Chris Rock. Everyone know that. Okay, that's a meme. He's crying. Play. Okay, what is gang doing? Okay, he make artworks with playing those piano. That's something new I have seen, man. Okay, maybe he's just connected those both with laptops and thing. It looks great. Something new.